Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light-up exit sign. A while back I was on a job and I found this in the trash. It runs on 120 volts. To make it light up, I opened it up. And inside, I put a Go Brights bike light in there. The light right here, this Go Brights bike light actually cost about 10 bucks. It's got different settings. That is really cool, man. You can put the back right back on and hang this anywhere on the wall. This is really cool. It's a great find. Instead of running it on 120 volts, I run it on 3 volts. Great find. Again, make another man's trash your treasure. See things that other people don't see. And make cool things like this. Or basically bring them back to life. Simplicity is the key in science. This is really cool. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of this do-it-yourself light up exit sign. Dr. Fish out.